Hey, bro, what the fuck is that?
I hate this nigga. Bro, I used it.
Come from?
I used it. Remember I had on my fingers. What the fuck? The fuck? Oh my goodness, I hate chop.
What the fuck you mean you did it for your fingers?
What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. And today we're going to be taste testing.
Chewy, choose the board. With this confetti birthday cake.
Confetti cake.
Nigga, I can say birthday cake.
All right.
Don't get it confused. So it's confetti cake from Walmart.
Birthday cake.
It doesn't say birthday cake. Damn,
All
bitch.
right.
You even know. Damn, see, you see what I mean? You see how you said not too many snacks in one fucking day, and look what he doing.
I gotta taste it, right? And I said after the surgery. I do.
Alright, so
This
we
is good. This is $10.
Okay, so how we gonna do
This
this?
don't look good as shit.
We all in from this
We all
one sweet?
getting. No, we all should eat from our own separate world.
I don't like chewy cookies. I can fight for this junk.
Not fight. We're just gonna split it.
You don't. I kind of agree, but my father love Chewy. And Shane will love Chewy too.
You said Shaheen?
Yes.
Why are you looking at me?
You hold this open while I pour it in real quick.
Hell, bro. Every time you say something, you want to look at me.
Because I know y'all two.
Not me.
I know, because I know you two. Y'all cracking jokes until when somebody leaves, and then you like act like nothing happens.
That's only right me my cousins. They dumb enough to believe it.
No.
How I know that you're not lying to me right now?
Wait, I gotta take some home.
Because you don't believe it. Where you gotta take some home? For Nehemiah, Nicholas, and my aunt?
Grandmother. No.
Yeah, I don't like Chewy cookies either. I made like a warmed up, like almond raisin, but certain things don't like
Like
Chewy.
Subway cookies?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You want no milk?
Harold, you all cracking no jokes. You put it on your
I'm alright. I shouldn't eat no more. I shouldn't. I'm alright.
Please,
I'm gonna get something else when I get home.
please.
When I get home.
I feel horrible.
Why? When I get something when I get home.
Huh?
Why when I get something when I get home?
Because
These cookies are 10 out of 10. So with milk, of course, they're gonna be 10 out of 10.
Because you know my hospitality.
Definitely 10 out of 10, bro. These cookies just came out. I can guarantee you that these just came out. Once again, today's March 30th.
Harold, just look at this.
From the first
I'm
video.
okay, right?
Please.
Bro.
You're interrupting the video.
Hey,
It's gonna stay on my mind.
They're gonna text you at 4 o'clock in the morning. You okay?
I just know this nigga crack jokes about how back that I will. You gonna like you dirty motherfucker and like
No, that's Eric you talking about.
It's both of y'all. But anyway, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I wouldn't buy it though. No. I can't give it a 10 out of 10 and say I won't buy it. But I'm gonna just taste all with milk.
Because the chewy cookies don't melt like they're supposed to. If it was the blue pack, it would taste better. But the red pack don't taste all of that.
Alright, we'll get up out of here, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to tell somebody you like us. And be sure to check us out on the next Chips Ahoy.
Bitch, what the fuck? Why is it so close?
I don't even taste the confetti. It tastes like just regular chocolate chip.
The fuck are you tasting?
I don't taste the confetti.
Because you trying to put it in your head, it's confetti birthday cake.
Nigga, just the confetti cake. Even if I said
Now it's
confetti.
confetti cake because you can't taste it.
Nigga.
Anyway, 10 out of 10 from Walmart, like $4 or $5, you know, the usual pack. And this is family size, not a regular size. All these little new stuff always trying to come in family size. What is y'all doing? I mean, it's good, but damn.
Trying to bring the family together.
Nah, ain't that like...
It's
know
all
tasty.
about family. I got that from Shazam. I mean, Fast and the Furious.
Come on, so you can check. Oh, this shit's good.
Robin John Wick died.
What the fuck?
They ain't said by now it's on them.
John Wick came out last weekend, y'all.
And he died at the end of the movie.
But what if he did it? Because the quote unquote, when he asked, is he in heaven or hell? He said, I don't know. And he laughed.
Oh, yeah. That's true.
Well, it doesn't mean he's in limbo.
Anyway, today's March 30th. This video probably will come out to like September, I guess. You're kind of right. So if you ain't seen the movie, then something's wrong with you. And the movie made over a lot of money during its opening weekend too.
Oh,
so.
shit.
Who the fuck is Antonio?
What are you talking about?
Did you not hear what you said?
I said that's on you.
It's like you said Antonio, huh? Anyway, catch us next time, Antonio.